Yeah, what's going on, guys? Today we got two big packages we're gonna open up today. Let's get started. Okay, now we're down here. I'm gonna break the packages. Oh, they're heavy! I wonder what's inside these two. Get my scissors. We're gonna open the small box last. Let's start with the first box, everyone. Let's open this thing. Oh my god! Got a bunch of fire alarms. Look at this. Okay, starting first, we're gonna unbox this Siberius Pyrotronics 500-69-64-73 standalone strobe. Let's unbox this thing, everybody. Got the trusty scissors. One more side. There we go, everybody. Oh my god! Look at that thing. Now this looks like a Siemens. Look at it. Now this is cool. Okay. Next up, we got a Wheelock EHDL1, which is one of my favorite alarms, actually. Look at the design of the strobe, the horn. The design on this is kind of neat, actually, I gotta say. This one is actually pretty cool. Next up, we got a Simplex 2901 horn. This is cool. I really like the design, like the other alarms over there. Now this, what you call, really awesome. Make sure to like the video. Next up, got a system sensor mass. Oh my god. I love the mass. I love the quality on the horn, the strobe. It's like a cracked strobe right there, so you can see. That is cool. Ooh, we got two pull stations right here. Got a Notifier BG1 MX and a Simplex local T-bar. There's a red box in here. Let's see what's inside here, guys. What? It's a Notifier BG12LX. And it came with a key too. Let's test it out. Wow, that is so cool, guys. Just reset it now. Let's put that over there. We're done with this box. Put it right there. Second box. Let's open it. More fire alarms, everybody. Okay. First one is an Edwards Integrity horn strobe. This is pretty cool. Now this, guys, probably my favorite one of all. Pretty cool. Looks like we got some. Whoa! Look at that! We got a Space Age AV32. I've been always wanting one of these. Oh my god. This is awesome. We got that. red strobe. Great quality, actually. I gotta admit. Next up is a wheel lock selector strobe. I said strobe 2 times. Yeah. And we got the same old pole stations. We got another Notifier BD12LX, a STI local fire alarm lift and pole station, and we got a Honeywell advanced tornado pole station. Oh, also we got the key too, guys. Yeah. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, here, let me show you how much alarms we have right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. These are really awesome, guys.
What, you taking this back then?
Shh. Well, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So thank you all for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Have a fire alarm-tastic day.